Hi, little learners. Let's count from 1 to 10. Ready? 1. 1 apple. 2. 1, 2, 2 apples. 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 apples. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 apples. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 apples. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 apples. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 8 apples. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 apples. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples. Great job counting! Let's count again one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.